There are a few ways in which one can get residency. Purchasing property is one of those methods.
Excellent. And what's the actual requirements?
One would have to purchase a property of a minimum 300,000 plus VAT. The purchase would have to be from a developer or developing company. So it has to be from the primary market. It cannot be a resale. And a minimum of 300,000 plus VAT has to be paid prior to submitting the application.
And this is the fast track?
Yes, that's correct. This is fast track.
And what's the general criteria expected for the client?
The most important aspect is that they need to have a secured annual income of a minimum of 50,000 emanating from abroad, freely and fully at the disposal, which increases by 15,000 for the spouse and 10,000 for each dependent child.
Excellent. And you mentioned also about students.
Yes, it's also possible when we say financially dependent students, children, up to the age of 25 to obtain permanent residency through this scheme, provided they're in full-time education and they have documentation to prove it, and provided that their parents have the sufficient means to support them. So financially dependent children between the age of 18 and 25 can also qualify under this scheme.
Excellent. I know that demand's been high for this program. A lot of our clients over the last 2 or 3 years, I know I've seen this grow from a company point of view. How's that affected the timeline in Cyprus for the final approval?
Well, initially the government, when they published this program, had said that approvals would be given within 2 months. Then it became 6 months because of the volume, and at present it's taking a bit longer than that, between 10 months and a year for approval, but that's only because of the sheer volume of applications, especially after Brexit.
Fantastic. Thanks very much, Esme. Much appreciated.
Thank you.